Right now, AI tools are everywhere. Businesses are using AI for writing, design, customer support, automation, marketing, and many other tasks. Here is something very interesting. Many business owners know AI is important, but they don't know how to use these tools properly. They feel confused, they don't have time to learn everything, and this is where a big opportunity comes in for beginners like you. You don't need to build your own AI software. You don't need to be a programmer. You can simply resell existing AI tools and offer services around them. This is how many people are starting their own AI agency without heavy investment. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover smart ways to earn online using smart tools. If you are thinking about starting an AI agency, there are some powerful AI platforms you can use and even resell under your own branding. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link from description, because by using that link any special offer will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First, understand what reselling AI tools really means. It does not mean you are just sharing an affiliate link. Reselling means you use an AI tool to provide a service to your clients. For example, you use an AI writing tool to create blog post for your small business. You use an AI chatbot tool to set up the automated replies for a company's website. The client pays you for the service, not for the tool. As a beginner, the best way to start is to choose one simple service. Don't try to offer everything. Maybe you focus only on AI content writing for social media, or maybe you help local businesses to create AI powered chatbots for Facebook pages. When you focus on one clear problem, it becomes much easier to clients. Next, you need to learn one or two AI tools very deeply, not everything. Just become confident in using them. Practice by creating simple work, build a small portfolio. You can even offer free work to one or two clients at the beginning to get the testimonials, and this builds trust. After that, think about your target market. Small businesses are usually the best starting point. Restaurant, real estate agent, online stores, coaches, and local service providers all need help with marketing and automation. Many of them don't understand the AI, so you can position yourself as the AI solution provider. Now let's talk about the pricing. As a beginner, don't make it too complicated. You can charge monthly for managing their AI content or chatbot, or you can charge per project. Keep your pricing simple and affordable in the beginning. As you gain experience and results, you can increase your prices. Another important thing is branding. Even if you are using someone else's AI tool, you can create your own brand name for agency. Create a simple website or landing page that explains what problem you solve. Talk about the result, not about the technical features. Clients care about more leads, more sales, and less manual work. They don't care about the complex AI terms. Next thing is the communication. Communication is also very important. Many clients are not technical, so always explain things in a simple language. Show them how AI saves time and money. Give them regular updates. When clients trust you, they stay longer and may refer others. Starting an AI agency as a beginner is not about being an expert in artificial intelligence. It is about understanding the business problems and using AI tools as solutions. Focus on results, keep learning, and improve your service step by step. So, if you want to take action and stay consistent, this can become a strong online business for you. I hope this video gave you a clear idea about how to resell AI tools as a beginner and start your own AI agency. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the Easy Access Tech for more videos like this. Check the description for recommended tools and special links. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.